friends, this is Ayaan. You are watching YouTube channel Ayaan Edulogy. Friends, today we will prove the formula of a plus b to b whole cube, and that will be so much interesting. So watch this video till end. So let's start the video. So the formula is a plus b to b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. Now, if we will prove this by taking the RHS, then this is the RHS. What is the RHS? It's a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. This will multiply by this and this. And that will be 3ab multiplied by a is 3a square b plus 3ab multiplied by b is 3ab square. Now, a cube plus b cube plus, now 3a square b can be written as 2a square b plus a square b. 2a square b plus a square b, and similarly 3ab square can also be written as 2ab square plus ab square. 2ab square plus ab square. Now, a cube plus b cube plus हम लोग 2a square b और 2ab square को साथ में रखेंगे, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus a square b plus ab square. Now we will a cube plus this a square b will be here with a cube. Sorry, it's b. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे पेयरिंग करें plus b cube plus this ab square will be here. Then at last 2a square b plus 2ab square. Now here a square will be common, then in bracket a plus b, here b square will be common, in bracket a plus b. Now here 2 common, then a common and b. That is 2ab will be common, in bracket again a plus b. तो फ्रेंड्स आपने देखा कि यहाँ हम लोग a स्क्वायर को कॉमन लिए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे a क्यूब एंड a स्क्वायर में a स्क्वायर का पावर छोटा है, एंड अगर हम लोग a क्यूब में से a स्क्वायर को निकालेंगे देन वी विल गेट a, एंड a स्क्वायर b में से हम लोग अगर a स्क्वायर को निकालेंगे देन हमें b मिलेगा. सिमिलरली हम लोग इसमें भी कॉमन लिए हैं, in b cube plus ab square and 2a square plus 2ab square, 2a square b plus 2ab square. And now a plus b and a plus b, again it will be common. Now in bracket a square plus b square plus 2ab. हम लोग जैसे इसमें कॉमन लिए थे, इसमें लिए थे, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने इन दी सेम वे हम लोग यहाँ पे कॉमन लिए. नाउ a प्लस विल बी सेम एज a प्लस b, बट वी नो दैट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab is a plus b to be whole square. A plus b to be whole square. Now the base is same, a plus b and a plus b. And this a plus b has its power 1 because any number having its power 1 has the same value as the number itself. So a plus b to the power 1 is same as a plus b. So now the base is same, a plus b and a plus b. So the power will add. So it's a plus b having power 2 plus 1. That is the cube of the whole a plus b to the whole cube. Hence we have proven that's the LHS. So hence we have proved taking the RHS that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b equals to a plus b to be whole cube. Now we will prove this by taking the LHS. So I am just going to erase it. तो हम लोग इसको LHS से प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. What is the LHS? It's a plus b to be whole cube. Now it can be written as a plus b multiplied by a plus b to be whole square, because the base is same, so the power will add, then we will get a plus b to be whole cube, so we can write it as this. Okay, now a plus b multiplied by, we know that a plus b to be whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it's a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this will be multiplied by this and by this. This will also be multiplied by this and by this. Now a multiplied by a square plus a multiplied by b square plus a multiplied by 2ab plus b multiplied by a square plus b multiplied by b square plus b multiplied by 2ab. And it's a multiplied by a square is a cube plus it's ab square plus 2a square b plus b multiplied by a square is a square b plus b multiplied by b square is b cube plus it's 2ab square. Now a cube plus this b cube will be here plus ab square plus 2ab square will be here. Here we will again pair. Now ab square, no, a square b plus 2a square b. Now a cube plus b cube plus this will be 3a square b, 3ab square. This will be 3a square b. Now a cube plus b cube plus here 3 common, then a square and a में a का power छोटा है, and in b square and b also the power of b is small. So in bracket now 3ab will be common and it's b plus a, or it can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. And that is the RHS. Hence we have proved, taking the LHS, that a plus b to be whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. तो आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. If there is any doubt, then please comment me. अगर चैनल पर नए then subscribe my channel, like this video और नोटिफिकेशन कॉल पे प्रेस कर दे ताकि मेरे हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. बाय.